Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's up?
Gang, 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 gang. What it is? Mook in the V, back with another video. Outside, late night, man. Out here trying to catch some content for y'all, man. We got some cars building up over here, man. I'm gonna try to get a little walk around, see who out here, see what's popping and dropping. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See what we got going on over here. Got a decent little lineup out here. Y'all see her, you know she talking shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got a couple cars out here, man. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. You know what I mean? That purple thing right there. Y'all see how we coming? Y'all see how we coming out here, man? Trying to get it started. Trying to get it started. We got more cars coming in. We underneath the bridge, baby. I'll see how we lined up out here. Mopar crazy. Mopar crazy. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. What's the word, man? You ain't vlogging?
No, not today.
Big Jeep game today. I fuck with you today because you Mopar.
I'm always been Mopar.
You get doing that foreign shit I ain't fucking with.
You gotta let me rev your engine real fast.
Rev my engine?
Yo.
I ain't got no gas.
Man, neither do I. The fuck that's supposed to mean?
What up with you, bro? Man, cause my shit might die. You know how much revving the engine, how much that take? I ain't got no gas. No, but when I get some gas though, for sure.
I'm already know.
For sure, for sure.
It's cold as fuck.
Man. I'll see how we coming out here, man. What up with you, man? And them reels been looking crazy lately, man. What up? What up with you? Shout out my girl, Hemi girl, KK out here, man. You know, she got all the low.
Gang, if you ain't watching these videos, what the fuck is you doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's too damn cold to be standing out here, though, man. What's for real?
I was riding with they ass, but motherfuckers was taking too long.
We out here trying to get that real content for y'all, man. It's real life cold out here. Real life cold out here, man. Just trying to get a little bit for y'all. I hear them hitting the horns over there. Y'all see it though. It's real. Oh yeah, I hear police. I hear police. It's time to boogie.
Where they at?
They over there somewhere on the. Gotta stay close to the wheels. You out here dressed right, my man out here good. I said you out here dressed right. He out here in a full snowsuit. Oh yeah, so you ready for it? Yeah, hell no. I do construction, but I'm indoors.
I'm outside.
I don't like this shit at all. Oh yeah, you built different. My man built different for real. Man, this shit, I hate being cold. I'm ready to go down south somewhere where they don't do this. Man. Yeah, no, I gotta get me one of them joints. That motherfucker look warm. I'm finna put my coat on, matter of fact. Alright, gang, I'm finna throw this coat on, man, and see what the situation is, and then I'm gonna cut the camera back on. I know she gotta pull up. I ain't coming up in the middle though. I gotta stay back in the back. I'ma jump in her shit though. Man, it's cold in a bitch out here. Shit. Motherfucking hands froze. Damn. Motherfuckers trying to climb and shit. Come on, bro, keep trying. You can make it. Fuck. Well, my motherfucking hands about froze. Other side? You said get in the driver's seat? It's locked. Close as hell. That's how we coming for a minute, y'all. I gotta get warm. Swinging that motherfucker though. Yes, sir. We outside tonight.
What's up? We on YouTube?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's up?
Mook in the V. Mook in the V. We gone.